is Sindhi first then anything else. Sain GM Syed. The love of Sindh runs in my veins like blood. Nations are not made by rulers, but by people who awaken them. To enslave a nation mentally is worse than physical slavery. Freedom is the birthright of every nation. Sindh has its own history, culture, and identity, separate from others. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel Abdul Latif Jokio.